Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to delete your photo on Instagram. Whether you're looking to refresh your profile or just want a clean slate, it's easy to do. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile without any issues. Once you have the app open, click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page where you can see all your posts and information. Next, you'll want to click and hold on your profile photo. This action will prompt a menu to appear, giving you several options related to your profile picture. From this menu, choose Delete. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete your current profile picture. This is a crucial step, as deleting means it will be permanently removed from your account. Finally, confirm the deletion. Once you do this, your profile picture will be removed, and you'll revert to the default gray icon that indicates there's no profile photo set. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your photo on Instagram. If you decide later that you want to upload a new picture, simply follow the same steps and select a new image from your gallery. Remember, deleting your profile picture is a straightforward process that can help you manage how you present yourself on social media. Whether it's for privacy reasons or just a desire for change, it's always good to know how to navigate these options. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to update their Instagram profiles. Happy Instagramming!